y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lonnie if you're new, and if you've been here before, welcome back home, sis. Welcome back. Thank you for coming back again and watching another video. Appreciate your support. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I got this cute glitter look. If you all haven't figured it out by now, I love glitter. I love pink, so you're going to get a lot of glitter looks from me, pink looks. So be prepared, because that's just my go-to. That's what I love to do. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all how I created this look. And the glitters that I used to create this look was from the Glow Up Academy by KiKi Adams. Some of the glitters here. So if you're not familiar with who KiKi Adams is, she is a YouTuber and she's very popular on Instagram. She is most known for her cut creases and her glitter looks. So for me, being a person that loves glitter, I love cut creases. When I found her, I was like, I'm hooked. She's one of my favorite MUAs. She's black, she's young, so go support her, period. So if you want to see how I got this look, and if you want to know more about the glitters, I'll leave the link to her website below. But if you want to see how I created this look using her glitters, please stay tuned.